guys to another vlog. Today we're going to be staying 24 hours in this mini home that we did. And don't mind the banana next to a banana. And here's a tour of the house. We have a ball, a fan, a mini car, and then another mini car, and a calculator, a claw machine. Do you see, guys? It's a claw machine. We got a Rubik's Cube in there and a scissor if we need. I didn't mean to say if you. And we got a banana, and we got a sea over here, and we got something to sleep on, and we can just get our banana and sleep on it. We cannot leave here. We cannot leave my house. This is where we are going to be sleeping. So get comfortable with your bananas. Bro, this is my banana, bro. Bro, he's just drawing. And I'm going to show them my drawing. Where is that? I actually am pretty good at drawing, guys. You want to know that? You can check in one of my videos. Like, I draw something like the Zorro one. It's almost like 89 views. So get that video to maybe at least 91 views. And look at this. I draw a dragon. And I'm not saying I'm pretty good at drawing. I know I'm pretty bad at drawing. I'm super bad at drawing that I don't even understand what I'm drawing. And we got some weights to lift over here. And get comfortable, boys. I don't know how to do a time lapse, guys. So wait, it's actually kind of scary in here. Like, can someone fix? You're running. You're just running. Speechless running.